Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Wrap Lab. Today we got a cool one. We got a Cybertruck. This is actually their 8th Cybertruck they're wrapping, and we got a couple more coming, so we'll show you those too. But it's my first time wrapping a Cybertruck, and I know Danny was telling me there's some interesting things that are a little bit different about wrapping a Cybertruck, so we'll show you those as we get to them. But the car's washed, it got clayed. Next we're gonna take it apart, start wrapping it. Some other cool stuff in the shop happening today, so we'll show you that too. Stay tuned.
For Cybertrucks, because it's all stainless, it has low surface energy. So basically we want to put a little dab with a Q-tip of adhesive promoter along all the edges just to kind of help the vinyl stick. We wrap around the edges, so we'll put the promoter on the edge and then on the inside here, because this is where the vinyl is going to be wrapped. Again, just little Q-tip, that's all you need. Don't need very much of it. This is something we normally only do on Cybertrucks just because of, again, the stainless finish and how low surface energy is. Normally, like 95% of the time, we wouldn't use promoter on any other vehicle unless it's like a very deep recess, and then we just use like a little dab with a Q-tip if it's needed.
So like I said, we got some cool stuff in the shop today, like this Audi S4. We've got Ennis doing a full chrome delete on both sides, and then Danny's gonna install some gloss black mirror caps just to match. Okay, so just a little update guys, we're almost done with the Cybertruck. We just have this panel, we have the trunk, and then we also have this GTR that's back, and we're going to do some things on that, like wash it and ceramic coat it, so we'll show you that as well. While Ennis finishes up the Cybertruck, we also have a few tints to get done, like this front windshield on this Toyota, then a couple front windows on a new Tacoma, and if we have time, we're going to wash Ennis's M240.
So GTR is back in the shop. This is a close friend of ours. This car has been wrapped 4 times, I believe. This is the 4th time. So basically we're just kind of gearing it up to sell. So it got a new color. This is satin dark gray from 3M. Did some of the maintenance stuff on it, changing out the CV axle. The CV axle boot kind of had a little bit of a rip in it, so changing that up, taking care of the steering wheel vibration, put in some new intakes. Old ones have seen better days, and then we're gonna get the end caps of the spoiler clear coated, just kind of bring back that carbon a little bit. Had a little bit of fading and stuff. It also got a brand new front end kind of conversion to the 2017 style. So CMST tuning. It is a full front bumper with a full carbon lip. Various aftermarket fenders right here. Full carbon slits, just kind of air dissipation, keep the brakes cool a little bit better. This is basically a couple different body kits meshed together, so it's gonna look pretty cool once it's all done. We're on the home stretch here, just kind of waiting on some parts, and then she'll be knocked out. Gotta coat it and wash it, and that's probably the last thing we'll end up doing. So speaking of ceramic coating, Cybertruck is all wrapped up and ready. We're gonna coat everything that is wrapped, as well as fender flares, front bumper, and mirror caps as well. So basically ceramic coating seals in the finish, helps your maintenance washes, so it makes the car cleaner for longer periods of time, makes it easier to clean as well, dirt doesn't stick to it as well. We can show you guys kind of the properties of it. Basically you pour a little bit of water on it, it beads and it falls right off.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Cybertruck is done. Fully wrapped and ceramic coated. GTR is done too. Like, comment, and subscribe. Next week we have another Cybertruck, so stay tuned for that. You guys like my lunchbox? Time to mine. I don't know, Danny said matte black Beamer had to bring out the fit. A driver's side. Bro, the shoes have seen better. Bro, these are the shop shoes. I got clean ones for Jumma. There we go. Because I want to hear the.
All right.
Yeah. I'm just gonna turn it on.
I don't think you have the key.
Bro, I have the key.
Your life insurance, and then get real value.
Oh, the wipers are gone? No, bro.
Hit it again. Ready?
Yep. Boom. I love BMWs, bro. Every BMW I've had has blown up. Piece of shit, but I love them, and I will buy more.